Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to sync contacts to Apple Watch from iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want all your iPhone contacts to available on your Apple Watch so that you can easily make a call or put a call through on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. As you can see, these are all my contacts on my Apple Watch, and I have similar contacts on my iPhone. So here you learn how this is done and how you can bring your contact from your Apple Watch from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. Now the first thing to do when you want to sync your iPhone contact to your Apple Watch is to make sure that your Apple Watch and your iPhone are both logged into the same iCloud account. So that is going to be the easiest approach you can ever use if you don't want to save contact on your Apple Watch manually. So just make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are both logged into the same iCloud account, and once you can confirm that, just go ahead and grab your iPhone. On the iPhone, go to the settings, and then one of the settings page, click on your profile name, that's your iCloud account. Then once you selected that, come here and click on iCloud. Now once you selected iCloud, on iOS 18, click on see all. On iPhone, you don't have access to everything you have on the iCloud page just like this. Now locate contact on this page and make sure contact is turned on. Then tap this. So once you turn on contact on the iCloud page and you signed into the same iCloud account on your Apple Watch, you'll be able to access your iPhone contacts on your Apple Watch. So just like this. Just press the discount once, click on the dollar app, and here you're gonna see this page. Then on the page, click on contacts. Once you select a contact, you can just scroll down to have access to all your contacts. So that is all you need to do to sync contacts to Apple Watch from iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.